In the heart of the sea, where the waves are wild, there's a name that's trusted, it's Sher Worldwide. From the shores of Johor Bahru, their fame has spread bread. Selling ships and vessels, they're always ahead. Sher Worldwide, sailing through the tide. In the world of ship sales, they're our guide. With every vessel sold, every deal sealed, it's the trust in Sher Worldwide that's revealed. Buyers of demo ships for 8,000 LDT, and up their professionalism, it's always top notch. Seaworthy vessels, demolition, recycling. In the world of ship brokerage, they're excelling. Sher Worldwide, in them we can find. In the stormy market, they're alright. With every contract signed, every handshake, it's the strength of Sher Worldwide that's at stake. From their website to their blog, their commitment, it's as steady as a call. In the world of ship sales, they're the star. Sher Worldwide, they've set the bar. Sher Worldwide, they've got the stride. In the world of ship sales, they take pride. With every ship that sails, every wave that's break, it's the legacy of Sher Worldwide that's engraved. So here's to Sher Worldwide, may their sails never fray. In the world of ship sales, they lead the way. With every dawn that breaks, every tide that's waved, it's the journey of Sher Worldwide that's paid. From their website to their blog, for commitment, it's as steady as a calm. In the world of ship sales, they're the star. Sher Worldwide, they've set the bar. Sher Worldwide, they've got the stride. In the world of ship sales, they take pride. With every ship that sails, every wave that's brave, it's the legacy of Sher Worldwide that's engraved. So here's to Sher Worldwide, may their sails never fray. In the world of ship sales, they lead the way. With every dawn that breaks, every tide that's waved, it's the journey of Sher Worldwide that's paid. It's the legacy of Sher Worldwide that's revealed.